Hey there, here is the Asset Discovery feature walkthrough. This is our latest offering in the external attack surface monitoring space. This complements our DAST Scanner Indusface WAS and Cloud app, that is AppTrana. Now before I start, I wanted to bring forth an interesting stat published by Business Wire, which says that around 79% organizations acknowledge an asset visibility gap, and the same leads to 3 times more cyber incidents. And the primary reason for this is that organizations struggle to maintain an accurate and comprehensive inventory of their assets due to decentralized IT environments, disconnected asset management processes, or manual tracking processes. But with the help of asset discovery feature, this is no more a problem. Organizations can now easily maintain an up-to-date inventory of all the public facing assets and update it regularly. Addition of the asset discovery into Indusface WAS and AppTrana will now enable you to discover all public IPs, subdomains, mobile and web applications, and other public facing assets, detect OS top 10, SAS 25, and other vulnerabilities with the bundle DAST scanner and penetration testing, protect all these assets from DDoS, bot, and application layer attacks with the AppTrana WAP, and monitor the applications for zero-day vulnerabilities, DDoS, and bot attacks. For the purpose of this video, we'll cover how you can use this feature on the Indusface WAS product. If you're a first-time user, you will first have to go to our website, visit the Indusface WAS product page, and click on Get Started for free. Indusface WAS has a free plan, so you can test the functionality directly. During the sign-up, you will be asked to provide an account name, domain URL to perform the asset discovery, and a validation to the email ID associated with the domain. Kindly note that the domain of your email must match with the domain that you want to perform asset discovery on. If you don't have an email on the same domain, please write to sales@indusface.com and they'll help you with onboarding your application using alternate methods. Now, once you sign up, go to the Asset Monitoring tab highlighted over here. You will see the list of all the discovered assets associated with your account name, domain, and email address. Kindly note, if you don't see the discovered asset for the first time, you may click on Start Discovery and wait for around 15 to 30 minutes for all your assets to be discovered. On the right corner, you will get a summary of all the identified domains, subdomains, and IPs. To investigate further, refer to the list below, which will provide you with the domains, subdomains, IPs, data center, and site type details. Asset discovery also helps you to discover your mobile applications by clicking on the mobile app tab. Now, coming back to the web apps, let's consider that if you see any irrelevant domains or subdomains in the list, then you may mark them as wrongly tagged assets by clicking over here. Similarly, you also have an option to edit the asset details by clicking on the edit button next to it. Once you finalize the domains associated to your business, you may even download a spreadsheet by clicking on the export button and save it for your record keeping and compliance purposes. Example, GDPR, PCI DSS, SOC 2 do expect organizations to maintain an inventory of the external facing assets, and this sheet should surely help you with that. Now, further, if you'd want to scan a website from the list to identify associated vulnerabilities, then click on the Add Website button and onboard the site on the WAS platform based on the plan you have chosen. Once the websites are on the WAS platform, you may go to the dashboard section and understand the critical, high, and medium level of vulnerabilities associated with the site. You may then either choose to fix the vulnerabilities from your end, or if you want to virtually patch some of the critical vulnerabilities within 24 hours with AppTrana WAP, then you may reach out to support@indusface.com for help, and someone would help you onboard your application on the AppTrana WAP. So there you go. That's in a nutshell about asset discovery capabilities. Indusface WAS, along with AppTrana, brings you a 360-degree solution where you may continuously identify your assets, identify potential risks, and protect your unsecured applications in real time. I hope this explainer video helps you understand the capabilities of the asset discovery feature in detail. If you still have any questions or would want to know more about WAS or AppTrana web platform, then kindly reach out to sales@indusface.com. We would be happy to assist. Thank you.